What is it about London that makes it so irresistibly charming and incredibly diverse? Is it the iconic landmarks like the Tower Bridge or the Big Ben that have stood as silent witnesses to centuries of history? Or perhaps it's the seamless blend of the old and the new, where cobblestone streets meet modern skyscrapers? Or could it be the vast array of cultures that coexist, each adding their unique flavor to the city's melting pot? Join me as we delve into the heart of this city in the London Diaries. Dear Diary, today I discovered a hidden layer of London's history. I ventured beyond the well-trodden tourist paths and stumbled upon a lesser-known gem, the Dennis Seaver's house. Stepping inside, it felt like I had journeyed back in time. This 10-room Georgian house, meticulously arranged to recreate the domestic scenes of past centuries, was like a living painting. It was a silent conversation with the city's past, with every room whispering a different story. From the crackling fireplace to the half-eaten bread on the table, it was as if the inhabitants had just stepped out, leaving their lives momentarily paused. I could almost hear the echoes of their laughter, their debates, their life. Walking through London's streets afterwards, I felt a newfound connection with the city. Its history wasn't locked away in dusty books or museums. It was here, in the very fabric of the city. Each cobblestone here whispers tales from a bygone era, making history come alive. Dear Diary, today I experienced the diversity of London, a city that effortlessly wears the cap of the world's cultural melting pot. I ventured into its multicultural neighborhoods, each one a vibrant tapestry of traditions, languages, and cuisines. I tasted the spicy curries of Brick Lane, listened to the soulful melodies of Brixton's reggae music, and got lost in the colourful chaos of Notting Hill's Portobello Market. I breathed in the intoxicating aroma of Middle Eastern spices in Edgware Road and savoured the exotic flavours of Chinatown. London, it seems, is a grand stage where every culture performs its unique dance, contributing to the city's dynamic rhythm. Art, music, food, fashion, it all converges here, creating a rich blend that is quintessentially London. This city is like an open book, its stories penned by the many cultures that call it home. In London, every street is a new country, a new experience. Dear Diary, today I found tranquility in the heart of the city. In London, a symphony of steel, glass, and concrete, there exists a softer melody. This melody resonates from the city's green spaces, where trees whisper ancient tales and flowers bloom with unabashed joy. These are London's parks and gardens, verdant oases amidst the urban landscape. Each green sanctuary, be it the sprawling Hyde Park or the intimate secret garden in the square, offers a peaceful retreat from the city's relentless rhythm. Here you can watch as squirrels play tag on ancient oaks, or simply lose yourself in the meditative rustling of leaves. A day spent in these parks is a day spent in the company of nature, a day of quiet introspection and gentle rejuvenation. It's the perfect place to pen down thoughts, sketch a memory, or capture a moment. In the midst of city chaos, these green lungs breathe life into London. Dear Diary, today I invite others to share their London tales. Every London tale is a personal journey, a collection of moments whispered between the lines of journal entries and captured in the still frames of a camera. It's the aroma of freshly brewed tea in a tucked-away cafe, the rustle of leaves in a quiet park, or the hum of conversation in a bustling market square. It's the heartbeat of the city, echoing in the laughter, the tears, and the dreams of its people. These stories are painted on the canvas of London's iconic backdrop. They're etched into the cobblestone streets, reflected in the twilight hues of the Thames, and woven into the soundscape of Big Ben's distant chimes. They're as varied as the city itself, reflecting the enigma, the hidden history, the cultural melting pot, and the green oasis that is London. Each tale, each entry in our London Diaries adds another layer to the city's rich tapestry. They're the threads that bind us together, connecting past and present, tradition and innovation, locals and visitors. They're the shared memories and experiences that shape the city, making it a living, breathing entity. Now it's your turn. Share your London Diaries entries and continue the story of this enchanting city. Every moment, every memory, every whisper of London is a story waiting to be told. So, what's your London story? Dear Diary, today we embark on new adventures. As we close this chapter of our London diaries, we feel the pulse of the city still beating within us, every corner turned, every stone unturned, leaving us with memories to cherish and stories to share. But the journey doesn't stop here. There are many more tales to tell, more cities to explore, more cultures to soak in. I invite you to join me on these adventures, to become a part of the larger narrative that is our shared human experience. Subscribe to my Travel Trove Tips channel for more travel stories and tips. Together, we'll uncover the hidden gems of the world, delve into the heart of cultures, and navigate the winding paths of history. We'll sip tea in quaint cafes, stroll through lush parks, and immerse ourselves in bustling markets. We'll meet locals, experience traditions, and create memories that will last a lifetime. So, are you ready to pack your bags, put on your explorer's hat, and set off on a new adventure? Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and most importantly, keep adding entries to your travel diaries. Our world is a treasure trove of stories waiting to be discovered. So let's turn the page and start a new chapter.